this to me, man.
Oh my god, we are having too much fun.
I got him.
You got him finally?
Matt, put him over here. Put him on the net.
I feel like he is very tangled. No, look, move it. I'm gonna let him drop down.
Oh no, shit! Matt, get on the net, and I'll pull this over so it doesn't try to fly back up.
Shit! This is hard.
Right there!
You can't stand completely up. Teach me out!
I tried to block it. Fucking out! You're freaking me
Right
out!
behind you.
Other way! Other way! Right that way! Matt, you have a perfect opportunity here. You know,
Damn. In the net. Ah!
He's on the net.
Ready, James? Damn!
Alright, Matt, I need a little time.
Oh, this is too funny. Oh.
I think he just shat.
Oh, you know that! You said...
Yes! James, get ready.
Alright.
Down there!
Woo!
He's down there. He's out.
He's out!
Shut the